Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add multiple photos on your Snapchat story. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, head over to your Play or App Store, search for Snapchat, make sure Snapchat is updated to the latest version. Once that is done, click on Open, and then from here swipe up, and now what you want to do here, this is where you find your photos and videos to add to your story. So just go ahead and click on whichever one you want to do. So I'm going to click onto my camera roll. Alright, to add multiple pictures or videos, just simply click and hold onto each one. So I'm just going to do these random ones, and then once that is done, click on the blue plus icon or blue play icon to add to your story, and then click on my public story if you want to send it there, and my story if you want to send it there too. So I'll do that right now. Click send. Alright, you can see it sending up the top here. Wait a few moments for that to send and to be added to your story. Once that is done, I'll go back to my story and show you guys. Alright, back to my screen here, so my public profile, just like that. You can see up the top here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, there's a few photos I've put up in my story. So that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot.